All right, let's go back outside this evening as we look at Walmart, and we are going to step outside Fort Smith eventually. There it is. All right, Matt, we've been talking about this cloud cover all evening. It's just so different than what we've been seeing.
Yeah.
It's been blue skies for months with a little bit of rain, and now it looks like we're getting the moisture we really need this week.
We are, thank goodness. You see that little pocket of blue there at the top of your screen, but that's pretty much it. I tell you, at the Walmarts there, we're rolling out those carts with the umbrellas right now. So folks are going in because we got some rain coming in at 5 Country this evening. I want to go ahead and track some of the showers for you. We have very spotty showers over Northwest. Benton County, Washington County, a few sprinkles. We've got some on the east side of Fayetteville. Those are headed towards Hinesville and Huntsville here shortly. We've got a couple showers in around Beaver Lake and another quick round of some very light rain headed towards Bentonville, Bella Vista, coming in from Decatur and Gravette. Another little shower headed right towards Salem Springs and the Westville area. That's also headed towards Fayetteville, Greenland, Prairie Grove, and Farmington shortly. But you're looking westbound. T-Town's got some more rainfall for us. In fact, it picks up at a decent clip as you go to the northwest side of town. You go to Sand Springs and Zapulpa. That's all coming in, and it's going to be here within the next couple of hours. It's only moving about 25 miles per hour, so you could probably hop on the turnpike and go a lot faster than it's going up and down Highway 412. But I tell you what, by about 8 o'clock, this next wave will come into Fayetteville, 8:30ish or so for the Fort Smith area. It might be closer to 10:30 before we get it in Johnson County. Very slow moving, but it could be a good soaker. I mean, we're not talking about several inches here, but a good half inch, maybe even an inch for some overnight tonight. That's not bad. We could take anything that we can get. Right now, we're sitting in the 70s in northwest Arkansas. Nice, cool afternoon. It's just very humid and sticky out there, and it's going to remain humid as the rain comes in. In the River Valley, we're sitting mainly in the low 80s. But I tell you what, much cooler air is coming in tomorrow as the actual front pushes in from the north. It's still north towards Kansas City, but once it swings on through Foley, we're all going to have the north winds. We have some temporary north winds right now over Bentonville and Rogers and Taneytown included, and we have more southeast winds in the River Valley. That front should be able to completely pass on through and bring us cooler and less humid air for the next couple of days, which will be very nice. Here's your evening forecast in northwest Arkansas. 70s bouncing around all the way till 8 o'clock. By 9 o'clock, we'll slip into some 60s as the rain starts to pick up. In the River Valley, well, eventually we could fall to some 60s, but it's going to take us a little bit longer overnight tonight. We're in the 80s now. We'll fall to the 70s by about 8 o'clock. Here are your rain zones. This evening, the best rain is probably going to fall from Fort Smith northbound. You live south of Fort Smith, you're going to have to wait to tomorrow morning. Notice how by tomorrow morning, rain zones start to shift out. We'll probably clear out northwest Arkansas first. We'll have the lingering showers tomorrow morning in the River Valley, but everyone's got a chance at least for some rainfall. We'll start in the 60s tomorrow. It's going to be a wet, kind of cool, dreary start as you head out for your Tuesday. In the afternoon, there could be a spotty shower left over, but eventually the sun's going to come back out and hopefully comes back out soon for you, and it should be a nice day. Here's a look at Futurecast. We're watching that rain come in. The heaviest bands hitting northwest Arkansas more so first, and then the bands slowly start to shift a little bit farther south by tomorrow morning. But we all have a chance for at least a little bit of rainfall. How much? Well, anywhere about a half inch, I think, for a lot of us we could pick up, but some of us could even get close to an inch, especially to the north, I think. That's where those most consistent bands coming in from Tulsa are going to go first. So after this round of rain, I think we dry out for Wednesday. We could get another round, though, Thursday, Friday, keeping temperatures in the 70s. But I think we clear out just in time for the Hogs game. In the River Valley, we go back to 80s with sunshine by the weekend.
Still, though, by the time it gets there, it'll be nice and rained out.
Oh,
hopefully it's going to be
so.
nice.
I think it'll be great.
This feels like cozy weather, too.
It does.
The rain.
Yes.
I wore a vest today. It wasn't cold enough.
Vest.
It wasn't cold enough,
I
but
ain't
it just felt kind
ready
of
for
fun.
that yet.
I came in with a sweater. It
See,
was nice.
it's just fun to wear.
Guys
We
are-
need to get
you guys
Darren
are
in a vest.
killing me.
Cozy
All right.
vibes.
Good in a vest.
You got to get a vest.
Yeah.
Well, you've
Very
probably heard the